Hey that's Anon Bird here. Today we'll animate this guy so it like alien who upgrade his body and become the robot. For this animation I'm using Adobe CC 2019. If you have latest version, don't worry, the difference of this version is small. Let's start. Okay, so I create head with shadow, create air with round corners, and stay with shadow effect. Let's create earth with stroke, shadow, and create emotions if he bar. Change color, shadow, and shadow for all eye, and glare. Grow up eye and move to center. Let's create head, create near head, and deformate air to create some cool position. Make hole outside its hair. Make shadow to head and deformate air. And create mouse which stays, and create color for this. Something inside. Make glare and shadow for hair outside cap. Draw neck, and create shadow from another color, and glare. Deformate it, and let's create scarf. Okay, it's like this. Duplicate, change another color, and make hole with another color, and it's like purple. And group this. And deformate. Deformate neck 2, and shadow for 3D effect. So make body, with shadow, deformate this object, and create shadow to body. Draw glare to body. And create hood with shadow and change position and shadow to main hood. Move. Let's create hand. It's like tube with something inside in hole. Change color. And create hand. Make shadow to create 3D effect. And shadow. Make glare. And make distant hand. Duplicate glare. I'm scaled eye and deformate hand. So it's like this. I'm group all layers and duplicate to create near hand. Delete something inside hole and make hand to near hand. It's like 2 layers for 3D effect. Make screen with shadow, glare, and display nothing. More text. Decorate this hand. Duplicate the distant and make another colors. Group and duplicate this tube to create some gun. Create robotic body. It's like second layer of body. It make wheels. It's like future wheels with screen, shadow on screen, glare. I'm displayed to circle with hull. Round and duplicate parent and duplicate too. So create shadow to robotic body and main shadow to near wheel. Let screen to distant wheel and create some another color and shadow to distant wheel. Okay, so it's like 3D effect. And make screen on robotic body. Which text on screen. Display this with another scale, like decorate, and change position. Okay, so I'm in After Effects. Let's create animation of near hand. In first keyframe it's like normally. In next frames I'm deformate this for creation of moving hand. Distant hand, it's like up, and create fire, which scale and opacity, duplicate, and it's like this. Okay, create moving to right, okay, so I'm rotate this and up. Let's create fire, and some text with display on screen, and easy animation for this.